This topic is subtraction. We will know how to do different sums of subtraction. First, we have to know, like for an example, 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. First, we will know the different parts, what is each part of the parts called. First, 5, from which a number is subtracted. It is known as minuend. We'll denote it as m for simplicity purpose. 2, the number which is to be subtracted from the minuend. That is known as subtrahend. Again, we will denote it as S for simplicity purpose. And the answer that we get from the difference, that is 5 minus 2, is called the difference, the answer. So this is called difference. Again, for simplicity purpose, denote it as D. So we can find out different type of answers from by knowing these three terms. I'll show you how. For an example, if we are asked to find 5 minus something is equal to 2. How can we find out this? First, find out which part is missing. This is the subtrahend. This is the subtrahend which is missing. This is the minuend and this is the difference. So when we have to find the subtrahend and the minuend and the difference is given, what we have to do is simply minuend minus difference. We will find out the subtrahend. So see, 5 minus 2. What we get? 3. So write 3 here. So this is the formula. Similarly, if we have to find out the minuend, like a question is given, something 2 is subtracted from something and we get 3. Over here, the minuend is missing and the subtrahend is given, the difference is given. In this case, in order to find out minuend, what we have to do is add the subtrahend with the difference. So 2 plus 3, it becomes 5. So this is the answer. So by applying these simple logics and simple formulas, we can solve all the problems. I'll show you how. Like we're often given questions like these, where you have to fill in the blank. First step, again, we're going to start from right and move to the left. So first move to the rightmost question. Label the parts. The first part is called M, that is minuend. The next is subtrahend and the last one is difference. So over here we can see the difference is missing. So in order to find out the difference, what we have to do is, we know for finding out difference, the formula is minuend minus subtrahend. Normally, whatever we do. That is 6 minus 0, we get 6. Next, see over here, this part, that is the subtrahend. The subtrahend is missing. So in order to find out the subtrahend, what we have to do is minuend minus difference. So you can see, this is the minuend, this is the difference. Now, 5 minus 6. That is not possible. Okay. So we will assume that this is 15. 15 minus something is 6, which is possible, which means 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Which means over here in the blank it will be 9. Because 15 minus 9, it is 6. Now this one, basically we got this one from this number. So put an arrow like this so that you remember it. So now you have to do is, see, something minus 4 is 2. Which means we have to find out, this is the minuend. So we have to find out the minuend. For finding out minuend, the answer is subtrahend plus difference. So my subtrahend is 4, my difference is 2. So answer will be 6. It would have been, but you can see 1. This one we have got from here. So if we have got this one from the 6, then the 6 would have become 5 and 5 minus 4 would have become 1, which is not in this case. So that is why we will take it as plus 1. Whatever we have carried from here to the other side, we have to add it. So we are going to write 7 here. So that when we deduct 1 from here, what we get is 6 and 6 minus 4 is 2. So over here, the main answer that will be there will be 7. So we're going to write 7. Now come here, 3, 6, which means Minuend minus Subtrahend. It is difference. So what we have to do is 3 minus 6. The number is not possible. We will assume this to be 13. So 13 minus 6, it will be 7. So we'll write 7 here. Again, this minus, this one we have got from the previous number, that is this. Again, Minuend is missing. In order to find out Minuend, add these two. That is 5 plus 2, 7. And also add this one because this we have got from the previous one. So we get 8. Now you see, 8 minus 5, from 8 minus 1, now it has become 7. 1 carried, and now 7 minus 5 becomes 2. So the answer over here is going to be 8. Next, we will move here. 6 minus something is 7. That is subtrahend we have to find. In order to find out subtrahend, the formula is Minuend minus the difference. So 6 minus something can't be 7. We will assume it to be 16. So deduct 7 from 16. We get 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That is 9. Again, this 1 we have got from here. So now this 9 have become 8. So 8 minus 2 will be 6. So 6 will be here. 5 minus something is 3, which means 2. So this is my answer to this question.